Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. Today I am here with some latest amazing gadgets. So, I am Dave, you are seeing Technical Dave channel. Let's get started. Number 1. 3 dodler pen. Guys, generally to write something we use 2D writing pens. But today I brought a pen, by looking that you will be admired. Guys, if you are creative at 3D drawings and if you are able to make any 3D design, this pen is for you. If we look at this gadget, it is the latest 3D drawing pen. The pen contains many colored plastic strips that make your 3D design colorful and beautiful. When we insert one strip into the pen, the strip gets melted and used as ink. Using this you can create any 3D toy or design easily and comfortably. This pen improves the creativity and thinking capacity of kids. So, guys, this gadget is useful for present educational system. If you want to buy this gadget, link in the description. Number 2. Nenode Air Bar. Guys, we all know using a smartphone is easy, because it supports touch screen. But using a laptop is quite a bit hard, because it does not contain touch screen support, and also using mouse is a bit hard. So, to fix the problem I brought a new gadget that makes non-touch laptop to a touch screen laptop. If we look at this gadget, it is mainly and specially designed for Windows 10 operating system. You just simply attach to the bottom of your laptop screen, and connect it to your USB port and your connection is ready. You can touch with your finger, glove or any object. It reacts fast as you touch. Using this we can zoom, swipe, and rotate the screen of your laptop. If you want to buy this gadget, link in the description. Number 3. DJI drone. Guys, many of us while looking at birds, we get an idea to fly. But, flying in the sky is a bit dangerous for humans. Today to fix that problem I brought an amazing gadget to you. When we look at this gadget, it is an amazing drone that gives you a flying experience like a bird, without flying. You get the thrilling experience by standing at one place. It contains powerful sensors that can easily detect the obstacles. The cameras of this drone can capture the video with high quality. And also it contains 4 motors that are highly efficient. It has the capacity for video transmission about 10 kilometers, and it is in 50 megabytes per second. This drone is very fast and the controlling system are awesome. If you want to buy this gadget, link in the description. Number 4. Xiaomi Air Charger. Guys, all of us charge our device using charger, and all of us face the problem due to wires. To fix this problem, I brought you the gadget, by looking that you are surprised. If we look at this gadget, it is a wireless charging device, that can charge multiple devices at a time. This gadget charges your mobile in air with 5-watt charging capacity, as soon as you come into that range. It has 5-phase interference antennas built in, which can accurately detect the location of the smartphone. If you want to buy this amazing gadget, link in the description. Number 5. jjrc H45. If you are looking to buy a drone with lightweight and more features, this gadget is for you. If we look at this gadget, it contains foldable arms, small size, easy to carry. It also have altitude hold mode function, provides stable flight. It has powerful 720 pixel camera, give wide range high definition pictures and video. This drone contains headless mode, no need to adjust the position of aircraft before flying. And also it has one key to return function, makes it easily to find the way home. It has 2.4 GHz technology adopted for anti-interference, and also have 4 channel which can do ascend, descend, forward, backward, left sideward fly, right sideward fly and rolling 360 degrees. If you want to buy this gadget, link in the description. If you like the video, please like it and comment your favorite gadget in the comment section. If you want to get updates of latest gadgets and latest technology, subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon, because when I upload video in the future you will be notified. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.